Okay, so here's a quick study. This is an SVG. This is my first attempt on SVG, modifying SVG files within Blender to make projection mapping. So some of the things that I've been thinking on behind the scenes is how do I make this, how could I animate this? How could I use SVGs to my advantage? Well, one thing is I could select specific areas and slide them to basically change the look and feel of objects, and I could slide them like together, so I could slide multiple pieces. It's not just one. This is just an example. I could extrude it so that it looks like it's in a three-dimensional space, and I could put it back down, of course. And then also, if I hit the switch, this is still preliminary. What I need to do is I need to figure out how I can remove the vertices within inside of the piece so that you don't see those. So it's just the outer edge that's glowing. But I'm working on that particular part. But I think overall, this is starting to look pretty darn spiffy. Some other things that I'm thinking about is you could also put in an attribute a named attribute that goes to the shader so that you can control the glow amount or glow value within the shader. So yeah, it's a good start. So here's some stuff to look at. If you have any questions, comments, complaints, concerns, let me know. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.